Hey guys, so yesterday we had a very interesting meeting regarding the new generation of the SDK, and today we're starting to work on research tasks to get ready for the redesign itself. So let's hear the team.
This is the modern research task for the GraphJS, some aspects of it, and today I'm going to continue with this task. Also, my prepared to find the seed, and I can register the token, and that's it.
Hi guys, today I'm researching which CI we should use, and then after we will choose the CI, I think I'm going to check exactly what goals we want for the CI, and that's all.
So I need to research how we can use multiple identities for the same service provider, what we called yesterday Captain, and to see how we can support that, makes DAV.js to support multiple provider for the same multiple identities for the same service. This is the first thing. The second thing, I need to see how the Captain survive mission control or penny splash. So I need to check possible solution. That's it.
Yesterday I worked with you on some final changes in the proposal for the vehicle companies, and started working on website changes for after the token sale. Continuing with it today, and also new partners addition to the website. This is it.
Great, so have a nice day everyone.
You too.
Hey everybody. So today I had a great meeting both with the Prime One Card folks and also Sam Lee from CoinStreet in Hong Kong. It was great, shared some great ideas there, maybe some kind of strategic partnerships that may form out of that. Also, I wrapped up a few press releases to go out over the newswire. You'll see a few of those in the next several days, and we are, of course, in our final run-up to the end of our token sale. I will see you guys tomorrow.
Hi guys, Alick and I here are just about to head out to the WeWork Creator Awards in Jerusalem. We'll be representing DAV, introducing ourselves to all of the attendees there, and we're also going to be manning the job fair, recruiting for 2 technical positions that we have open.
Yeah, the event is supposed to generate a lot of traction. Over 10,000 people will attend the event. We'll be there with a few other companies, tech companies, and all sort of companies, and hopefully we'll turn out being good. Have a great day. Bye.
See you tomorrow.